Imagine finding yourself in completely darkness. You can see the floor, you can see any obstacles, yet you must learn how to walk. This is exactly the situation my subject is in today. This is a blind robot. It has no eyes, no cameras, and no lidars. In this video, we will follow the process of digital evolution. Can artificial intelligence invent a gate from scratch using only internal sensations? Our test subject is designed to be as simple as possible. It has a round body and 2 legs attached with hinges. But the most interesting part is its senses. The robot receives only 6 numbers inputs: its tilt angle, the rotational speed of the torso, linear speed along the x and y axis, 2 touch sensors on the feet that tell it I'm on the ground or I'm in the air. That's it. It doesn't have a map of the world. Its task is to figure out how to move the leg motors so it doesn't fall and can move forward. The NEAT algorithm acts as the brain. Initially, the network is blank, with the random connections between inputs and outputs. 50 robots per generation. 1 attempt each. Maximum time 10 seconds. If they fall, they're out. If they succeed, they join the elite. The system then breeds the best, applying mutation to create a new, hopefully smarter generation, to make the chaos easier to track. I've added visual cues. Green, the robot is balanced and doing well. Yellow, it's starting to tip over. Red, fall detected, the brain failed. You can also see the blue line. This is the center of mass trajectory. It acts like an EKG of success, showing how smooth or shaky the movement is. Generation 1. Specimens struggle to stand or simply fall. Generation 20. Observing the very first steps. Generation 50. We see different robots developing unique walking styles. By generation 100, more than half of the 50 specimens can move forward, but interestingly, the maximum distance was first achieved by a standout genius back in generation 60. If you enjoyed this experiment, let me know in the comments. Should I add obstacles for the blind robot next time?